So on this day, I told my girls to go and make popcorn so that the family can eat. You understand? Because they are the girls in the house. They have to learn how to cook, how to do things, mostly in the kitchen. You understand? So, and it happens to be on Sunday. It was raining heavily. So I said, let me come and inspect them, what they are doing. And it happened that they are doing it right, you understand? Because they are their child. You have to start early to be teaching them what to do. So enjoy the video with us.
You know, when I'm cooking, I will arrange everywhere, make everywhere clean. My people, my guests took over my kitchen, you understand? So Treasure is making popcorn. Treasure and Vicky, two of them, they are making popcorn. So they have to arrange, because anytime I'm cooking, as I'm cooking, I'll be arranging. So they have to learn it. Clean that plate. Clean it fast. And check if that thing is still popping so that it will not burn. My guests took over the kitchen. It's still popping. Oh yeah, off it now. Bring this thing and pour it. Clean that pink tray. So the girls took over the kitchen. So I'm now the camera woman. Clean it, let it be dry. Then you pour it inside. Then you make the second batch. Let Henry go to the shop and bring groundnuts. Let us snack it this night. It's raining. So we need something to snack as we are washing movie. Use the towel and clean it now. Careful. Wait. Hold this thing here so I can use this one. Hold here. Let me see inside the pot. I use spoon and scrape it off. See spoon here. Pour it in separate plates. Cover it so that it's not start popping. Cover. The boys are in the parlor watching film.
Girls are in the kitchen.
I better carry it together. Let her to go and collect granite. It's sweeter. I prefer the granite oil on than the butter on. The granite oil on is always crunchy more than the butter on.